Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create video overlay in Canva. What you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to create video overlay in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account. And then in the search bar, just type video, or you can see here, video. Just click here. After that, choose the size of the video. For example, this one, 1920 by 1080. After that, go to uploads and then upload files, then upload the video from your laptop. Yeah, this one. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's done. Just okay, 3 dots, then set video as background. After that, go to elements and type overlay. And then videos, and then just choose the style you want. Okay, for example, this one. And then go to transparency and decrease it about, okay, 30 is fine. And after that, go to uploads and then upload files. Then you need to upload your second video, but I can use this one here. And make it full size. And then go to the transparency and then just reduce it, maybe 40. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to create video overlay in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. This will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.